In the today's class, we will solve the problems on analytic function, by Milne Thompson method. Let's see the first one. Construct the analytic function whose real part is u is equal to log of root x square plus y square. This is the question. Write down the given term. Given u is equal to log of root x square plus y square. This can be written as log of x square plus y square whole power 1 by 2. It is in the form log of m power n 1 by 2 into log of x square plus y square. Differentiate u with respect to x. 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square is 1 divided by x square plus y square into differentiation of x square is 2x. 2 will get cancelled. Remaining will be x divided by x square plus y square. Next, u with respect to y. 1 by 2 into 1 divided by x square plus y square. Differentiation of y square is 2y. That is equal to y divided by x square plus y square. Now we have to write the derivative formula. F dash of z is equal to ux plus I into vx. But by the CR equation of the Cartesian form, we know that Vx is equal to minus Uy, because here we found u with respect to x and u with respect to y. So in the derivative formula, we have to substitute ux minus I into, in the place of Vx, substitute uy. Now write down the values. X divided by x square plus y square minus I into y divided by x square plus y square. According to the procedure, we have to put x is equal to z, y is equal to 0. F dash of z is equal to z divided by z square, y value is 0, minus I into 0 divided by z square plus 0. This term will become 0. Here z will get cancelled. F dash of z is equal to 1 by z. To find the f of z, we have to integrate both sides. Integrate, we get f of z is equal to log z plus c. This is the solution. Let us see the next one. Find f of z whose imaginary part is e power x into x sin y plus y cos y. Here write given imaginary means v is equal to e power x into sin y plus y into cos y. Next, v with respect to x. So here we have to, I will multiply e power x x sin y plus e power x y cos y. For the first term we have to apply the product rule, that is e power x differentiation is e power x x into sin y plus e power x differentiation of x is 1 into sin y plus e power x y cos y. This is vx. Next, vy. E power x, x I will write as it is. Differentiation of sin y is cos y. Here, product rule, e power x differentiation of y is 1 into cos y minus e power x y cos y differentiation is minus sin y. After this, consider f dash of z is equal to ux plus I into vx. But we know that by the Cartesian equation form, vx is equal to or ux is equal to vy. Ux is equal to vy. Substitute here vy plus I into vx. Put x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. Here f dash of z is equal to, in the vy, put x is equal to z, means e power z z cos 0 is 1 plus e power z cos 0 is 1 plus minus 0 plus I into vx, that is e power z z sin 0 is 0 plus e power z sin 0 plus e power z 0 into 1. So this term will become 0, this term will become 0, this term will become 0. In this two term, I will take e power z as a common, remaining will be z plus 1. For this we have to do integrating by parts. Integrating by parts, f dash of z is equal to, I will keep z plus 1 as it is, integration of e power z is z minus integration of e power z, differentiation of z is 1 into dz plus c. That is equal to z plus 1 into e power z minus e power z plus c. Split this one, z into e power z plus e power z minus e power z plus c. So remaining z into e power z plus c is the solution. Let's take down the next one. Find the analytic function whose real part is x power 4 minus y power 4 minus 2x divided by x square plus y square. Hence, find v. Here they have given the real part. First we have to find f of z, then we have to find the imaginary term. Given u is equal to x power 4 minus y power 4 minus 2x divided by x square plus y square. First we have to find u with respect to x. So here we have to apply the quotient rule. X square plus y square as it is. Differentiation of x power 4 is 4x cube minus 2. Again minus x power 4 minus y power 4 minus 2x. Differentiation of y square is 2y. Whole divided by x square plus y square whole square. Next, u with respect to y. Here again x square plus y square. Differentiation of y power 4 is 4y cube minus x power 4 minus y power 4 minus 2x. Differentiation of y square is 2y. Whole divided by x square plus y square whole square. Now, consider f dash of z is equal to ux plus I into vx. But vx is equal to minus uy. How? By CR equation. Next, put x is equal to z, y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Here z power 4 minus 0 minus 2z into 2 into 0 whole divided by z square plus 0 whole square. This is the value for the ux. Next, plus vx. Here vx means minus uy. Here you can write ux minus I into uy. So write here minus I into z square plus 0 minus 4 into 0 is 0 minus x z power 4 minus 0 minus 2z into 0 whole divided by z square plus 0 whole square. Complete this term, it will become 0. That is equal to z square into 4z cube minus 2 minus z power 4 yes, here it should be 2x. So z power 4 minus 2z into 2z into 2 z whole divided by z square whole square. Now multiply 4 into z power 5 minus 2z square minus 2 into z power 5 minus into minus plus 2 into z square divided by z power 4. So here we get 2z power 5 minus minus 2 plus 4 is 2z square divided by z power 4, that is equal to 2z power 5 divided by z power 4 plus 2 divided by 2z square divided by z power 4. I will continue in the next page. Yes. Next, f dash of z is equal to 2 into z power 5 divided by z power 4 is 2z plus 2 divided by z square. Integrating or integrate, we get f of z is equal to 2 into z square divided by 2 minus 2 into 1 divided by z plus c. So this is the f of z value. Now in the question they asked us to find out the value of v. So f of z is equal to u plus iv, that is equal to x plus iy whole square minus 2 divided by x plus iy plus c. U plus iv, that is equal to x square minus y square plus I into 2xy. For the second term, we have to do the rationalization. X plus iy into x minus iy divided by x minus iy plus c. Next, u, here we have to do the simplification. U plus iv is equal to x square minus y square plus I into 2xy minus 2 into x minus iy divided by x square plus y square plus c. Now we have to group the imaginary with the imaginary term and real term with the real term. So x square minus y square minus 2x divided by x square plus y square, this is the real part, plus I into 2xy minus into minus plus 2y divided by x square plus y square plus c. This is the solution. Yes, let us see the problem on polar form in the same topic. Problem on polar form. Here, find f of z whose real part is r square into cos 2 theta. So given u is equal to r square into cos 2 theta. U with respect to r means 2r into cos theta. U with respect to theta minus 2 into r square sin 2 theta, because cos 2 theta differentiation is minus 2 into sin 2 theta. Now consider the derivative formula. e power minus I theta ur plus I into Vr e power minus I theta 2r cos 2 theta. Here we have to use the formula of the CR equation, that is Vr is equal to minus 1 by r into u theta. So here minus 1 by r into 2r square sine 2 theta. R will get cancelled. In the next line, e power minus I theta, I take 2 as a common term and also r. So remaining cos 2 theta minus sine 2 theta. Sorry, here I left I into sine 2 theta. Here also u theta value is minus 2r square, so minus into minus plus 2r e power minus I theta. This is the formula of e power I theta. So e power I theta, e power minus I theta, it becomes e power 0. E power 0 value is 1. So we get 2r. Put r is equal to z and theta is equal to 0. F dash of z is equal to 2z. Integrate f of z is equal to 2 into z square divided by 2, that is z square plus c. This is the solution.